positive parenting training is very essential to our communities. Why avoid responsibility? At the end of the day, you don't can ngama miyo. I think raga nyithinda abiriyo. Adi mano green ya pastures. Kachopo kanyo, nyithinda's rights bedo violated. So many times one issue of sexual gender-based violence. Majo machuo take advantage over nyithindo. Nyathi obambi. Nyathi one case mar incest. Baba overlap ratich nyathine. Nyathi mawuoyi nigi nyathi manyako. It is because of us. We are to blame as a community. We are to blame as a society. We are not nurturing our children well. Machono and nyaka dog back to drawboard. Wate? It is me, you Joyce, David on the other side. Everybody will be brought on board. What are we doing? Sporting activities. That is very true. Janyolo golo nyathi. Nidhindiko maid tene mochamo misara. That is child labor. Mine moko golo nyithindo ka. Ikaw nyathi wadu. There's a case in Migori sometimes back.